Here I have a part that needs a chamfer machining operation to break the edges. In CAMWorks 2019, the ability to machine chamfers using a curve feature was added. Now, in CAMWorks 2020, this functionality has been expanded to include automatic selection of edges to be used for the curve feature. I will insert a new curve feature on this part. Here, in this dialog, I have a button to auto-select edges for chamfering. When I click on it, the part's geometry is analyzed and the edges that are needing to be chamfered are automatically selected. I can then go ahead and finish defining the feature. Notice these red dots. CAMWorks recognizes that these edges intersect with the vertical edge. The resulting tool path will automatically offset the tool so as not to gouge the part. I will set the strategy to edge break and then click OK to insert the feature. Before generating the operation and toolpath, I will show an addition to the curve feature dialog. I will insert a new curve feature and select on some edges, and then click to the end condition page. From here, I will click on the Edit Feature Profiles button. In addition to having controls for flipping the direction of cut, I also have endpoint controls that let me manually define which endpoint is next to a material or not. This edge has both ends open to the air, so CAMWorks automatically sets the endpoint condition. This second edge has both endpoints next to vertical edges. CAMWorks also recognizes and properly assigns the endpoint condition. If I change the endpoint condition to air, the red dot is removed. On the next set of segments, we only have the option to change the condition on edges that aren't adjacent to other edges. Now I can generate the operation plan and the toolpath and show the simulation.